Continuing on with our storage discussion for passing the AZ-900 exam, we're going to take a look at Azure storage tiers. So starting with the first tier, which is hot. This is designed for data that is accessed frequently, at least in the short term, and it has a higher data transaction cost than cool or archive tiers. Then we have cool, which is optimized for data that is infrequently accessed. And this is going to have a minimum retention period of 30 days. It's really used for short-term backups and older content that you just don't access all that often. Then we have cold. This is optimized for data that is infrequently accessed. This tier has a minimum retention rate of 90 days. So we've gone from 30 days to 90 days. And finally, we have archived. This is used for data that's rarely used or accessed. The tier has a minimum of 180 days. So now we've doubled again the amount of time that's going to be minimum for storing this data. Now, it does take time for this data to be accessible because it's offline. Once you upload an archive data store, then it's going to be offline. So that means it has to be reinflated, is what they call it, before you can access it. Once you can access it after the data has been reinflated, then you can go ahead and use it. Now, this is the cheapest to store, but it is the most expensive to access. That's because of the extra effort it takes to reinflate the data. As shown in a previous demo where I created various different types of storage, storage tiers can make a big difference when choosing cost versus speed.